Hello guys, welcome to the Hodl EOS channel where we stay focused on EOS and EOSIO blockchains. If you are new to the channel, my name is Rob. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell. Who doesn't love a giveaway? The Influencer 2020 giveaways on Newdex starts today. Right now, Newdex is in the Season 2 recruitment phase of their Influencer program. So if you believe in decentralization and want to help Newdex with promotions and brand maintenance, you can sign up and apply to become a Newdex Influencer, which gives you an exclusive medal, priority privileges, NDX rewards, and there is 10 openings for Season 2. So apply if you believe in decentralization and think you have what it takes. Now for this event, there is also an NDX Carnival week. Starting today, June 12th, there is 3 different giveaways going on, each giving away 100,000 NDX through various applications like Token Pocket, DAppBirds, and MyKey. And then starting on June 15th, there is 2 more, ET Wallet and Start EOS, then Math Wallet on June 16th, BitKeep on June 18th, and Meet One on June 22nd. Each one of these is giving away 100,000 NDX tokens. So many opportunities to get yourself some NDX through this Carnival Week giveaway. And below that, starting tomorrow, June 13th, is the prize wheel. Many different tokens on here to be given away. VIGOR, brand new listing on Newdex, and the VIGOR platform will be opening soon to the public. BG, CHL, Sol, Dice, TKT, EFX, EMT, and BOID, all on the giveaway wheel. So starting tomorrow, you do have 4 chances every day to spin the wheel and win some of these tokens. So again, I will leave a link to the Influencer 2020 event page on Newdex in the description below. Speaking of token drops, are you signed up for the EOS airdrops and airgrabs notification group? About a week ago, we sent out an email on an early access airdrop sign up, and it appears that sign up is now closed. There was a bunch of you that did get on and get your name on the list for that token airdrop. If not, it looks like you may have missed it unless they open it back up. But definitely, this is linked in the description of every video. If you're not on yet and you are interested in getting email notifications about EOSIO airdrops and airgrabs, visit this page, fill out the form. Only an email address is required, but if you want to add an EOS account, Wax account, and TLOS account, if any exclusive airdrops are offered to the list, every sign up with an account will get distributed the airdrop. So go check that out if interested. And if you are watching this video the day it is published later today at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time, we are going live. Myself and the legend Chaz. Chaz has a bunch of packs, GPK Series 1 packs on the Wax blockchain to open up. So we'll be having another stream today at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time, opening packs and giving away some cards and other blockchain NFTs as well. So join us for the fun and the giveaways. And one last thing in this quick update video. The Telos Economic Development Plan number 2 is currently up for vote for Telos token holders. So go participate in that if you are a TLOS token holder. The new proposal will drastically reduce the amount of tokens that are being redistributed on a monthly basis. So dropping the supply on the market, including dropping block producer pay as well. So pretty much an across the board cut of tokens being distributed monthly. That is the new proposal. If you're not on Telos yet, link in the description to this page where you can get yourself a free Telos account through desktop wallet, mobile wallet, or using the Telegram bot. Voting on things like worker proposals and this new Telos Economic Development Plan 2 proposal are super simple in the Squirrel desktop wallet, where you can get yourself a free account as well. And on this page, also links to the Telos Foundation, TLOS exchanges, Telos dApps, as well as Telos blockchain news from the Telos Foundation. So that's it for this quick one today, guys. Just wanted to get these updates out there for you. Again, link in the description to all these. The Newdex Influencer 2020 giveaway events starts today, with the prize wheel going live tomorrow. Link if you're not yet on the EOS.io airdrops and airgrabs notification group list. Link in the description to this. Later today at 4:30 p.m. Eastern, join us live, opening some packs, talking some blockchain, giving away some NFTs. And of course, if you are a TLOS holder, make sure you vote on the Telos Economic Development Plan 2 updated proposal. Make your voice heard and take part in blockchain governance. That's it for me for this one, guys. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell. I will see you guys in the next one.